said just kind of back this way.
Yeah, I still got to pick it up a little over there more.
It's off the ground here. I think you got a little bit.
Yeah, but it's too tipped. I got to reposition that way. Am I clear?
Yep. Not a trailer with a...
Not a hot shot trailer?
Yeah.
That thing's heavy.
Yeah. I mean, it looks, from what I've seen, everything looks good. I think it's a new machine. We're ready to start bending on it.
Dude, look how small the leaf is. You can stand right next to it, buddy.
Oh yeah.
This is nice. Nice nose.
I know, that geometry on that one compared to the ERBEND too.
Same.
Well, the ERBEND's got a little more.
Yeah, it's like, this one's just straight in. This right here, extra 10,000 bucks. Yeah, baby. Little diagonal. Got Cidan in.